So I got this charging thingy off Amazon for like $50, and it just sits here. Wireless charging station from Dongguan Technologies, and so it's got two wireless charging, actually three, but it stopped working for some strange reason. And so we'll see. And I looked at it, thought it was my phone, but then I realized the lid popped off. So let's see what's inside here.
Azim, don't touch the electricity.
I'm fine. I'm an electrician. I can do what I want.
No, don't do that. Make sure don't touch it. Electricity doesn't know who you are. You think electricity knows you're electrician or you're not electrician?
Yeah, it's my job to tame the angry pixies, as they say. So I plugged it in, so it is lighting up. So what we have here are these. We got two ground wires. It looks like, and we've also got two. So this is already like DC current coming in, so it's not a big deal. This won't kill you. It could ruin your day, but I think it's only 24 volts because I don't see a rectifier or a transformer on here. I just see DC power coming in, and then we have, now these are the charging pads. I think these just broke because they have very little glue here. So what's happening is, quite simply, we've got DC power that's going around in a coil, and so that's generating a magnetic field out of the page. I mean, not the page, but out through this hole. There's a magnetic field coming out. And then, in your phone, right behind the battery, is one of these. And so the magnetic field that's generated through this wire loop induces or creates a current in the phone, in the back here. And on the phone, the two wires are connected to the battery. So this is all this is doing. And when I stick it here, son of a bitch.
No, say that.
We'll see. So if we stick this on, now it's at the back of my phone is charging. And so we got, but it's just, I wonder what happens if we cut one of these. Now I'm trying to figure out, this one's the same, but this is like for a watch. And I have no idea what this one's for. But this one doesn't have the two ground wires, but I think, but it's got a red and a black. And we got a USB. So I think this is for like a necklace, or I don't know what it's for. But this is basically, come out. It's basically the same thing. So, oh look, it's 100 volts. There's 100 volt, 225 joule. Looks like there's a capacitor here. And there's another capacitor here. So this could actually build up quite a charge. So this could kill you, actually. That's interesting. If you have any questions, please post a comment.